Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zaritul Ilmi. I'm from nursing A, and I will describe about thermometer. A thermometer is a device used to measure temperature. A thermometer is used in healthcare to measure and monitor body temperature. In an office, hospital, or other healthcare facility, it allows a caregiver to record a baseline temperature when a patient is admitted. Repeated measurements of temperature are useful to detect deviation from normal level. Repeated measurements are also useful in monitoring the effectiveness of current medication or other treatment. The patient temperature is recorded to check for pyrexia or monitor the degree of hypothermia present in the body. The function of thermometer. Before to all short thermometer, let us discuss the function of thermometer beforehand. Thermometer has a function as a tool to measure the temperature. Function measure the temperature is an assortment is as follows. Function measure the temperature can it the fact of medicine, knowledge the temperature of the human body, whether the body temperature we favor or no. Thermometer also serve to know the temperature room for knowing how the temperature of the oven to cook and so on. Then the kind of thermometer. 1. Mercury thermometer. Thermometer quicksilver is a thermometer fluid using quicksilver. Thermometer quicksilver is the thermometer who often used compared with the thermometer alcohol. Thermometer quicksilver is often referred to thermometer maximum because it can be measured the temperature is very high. How to wear mercury thermometers? This is to be inserted into the armpit or in the mouth. A flake of quicksilver will move up to the empty space in the end, stopped by the figures show your body temperature. Number 2 is thermometer digital or clinics. Thermometer clinical is kind of thermometer used to count the body temperature that many use in the field of medicine. Body temperature is able to measure with clinical thermometer through the oral cavity, the armpit, or in between identitas body. How to use thermometer digital under armpit? The T of in the armpit also can be drawn to all the edge of. How to use it is as follows. Loose cloth can it the thermometer in the armpit and make sure the sensor in contact with skin that stand thermometer reads and finishes measure temperature. Okay, this is describe of thermometer from me. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.